Hey everyone, I'm Vicki Howell, founder and stitcher-in-chief of YarnYAY, and it is February, which means it is time for the reveal of our February box. All right, let's see what's inside. So this month, the independent business that we have hooked up with is a combo of webs, but it's one of their lines that they own, the amazing Taki yarns by Stacy Charles, and we are going to include this gorgeousness. So Gunnison is the yarn we're using. It is a lovely, lofty wool in this cream color. I love cream for real cold weather, but because we're going to approach spring, it's just on the horizon, there's this color that is just sort of woven around the fiber, and it gives you this really nice little like surprise splotches in your knitting and crochet. So you'll get a full hank of this. All right, now for projects, the biggest trend, hands down, right now in knitwear are sometimes called dickies. I'm not going to call them that, but we're calling them mock collars. So we thought, we're showing up for this, but what are we going to do? How are we going to interpret it? So what we decided to do was mock shawl collar cowls. Both a cowl, for those of you that aren't sure about the mock collar, totally will work as a cowl too. You can kind of tiptoe into it that way, but it's got this really cool collar that you can fold over or let it stand up. And if you've never done short rows before, we thought it would be fun to sort of tiptoe into that as well. We hadn't done them in the box yet in our monthly boxes, so for both the crochet version and the knit version, we will be experimenting with a super simple and very easy to do short rows. And don't forget, we do tutorials to help you along the way, or if you just need a little refresher course. So I designed the knit version. It's got a kind of a deep triangle along the upper chest, and then the collar folds over with just a decorative button loop that you can place wherever you'd like to. The crochet version was designed by our latest designer in residence for spring and summer, Julia Medill. Julia is my buddy for years, from back in my days as a spokesperson for Yarnspiration. She is one of the amazingly talented designers that was behind their design team. So she's designed for Peyton's, Karen, Bernat, Red Heart, Lily Sugar and Cream. I forget, they have so many lines now. She is just one of the amazing designers and tech editors, and she comes with so much experience. So as soon as she went out on her own, I nabbed her up, and I'm so excited for you to see what she designs. She did the crochet project this time. We're going to shake it up throughout the next few months of her residency, and we will flip-flop and inspire each other and hopefully in turn inspire you. All right. So now we know our project, and then we also know what yarn. In every box, you always get a booklet as well. Full color that includes both patterns, but we will also send you the patterns digitally so you have them on your smart devices. Inside the booklet, we always make sure to list the companies that we've partnered with so that you know what other small businesses you're supporting when you support YarnYAY. All right, next up, we need a button for our cowl. Even though it's decorative, I love layering different textures on one another. So if we can add to our yarn a little bit of a button, why not? And this one is from Woman-Owned Business Makers Mercantile. I called up my buddy Karin Skassel, and we got these found horn buttons for you. So that comes off, and she even gives you a little 20% off buttons coupon to go with it. Next up, another amazing woman-owned business is Big Blue Mama out of Canada. She works with hundreds of artisans in Ghana, and she did so for this particular project. They hand wove baskets for each and every one of you. They're all completely unique, so they'll be slightly different in size, different colors, maybe vary in shape just a little bit. So you're definitely getting something that you can say is like nothing else out there. This is perfect to hold, you know, pens and pencils, but also for our notions, for buttons and tapestry needles, seam rippers, all of the things. So excited about this, and of course, hopefully it goes without saying that this was done fair trade, and all of the weavers were paid a livable wage. All right, and then our last item, since it's February, we wanted to share a little bit of extra love and give a nod to Valentine's, Galentine's, Palentine's, all of the love days with this YarnYAY leather bookmark. So this is a really great little piece that you can mark your favorite book, mark your place. It just slides right onto the page. It's hard not to make you smile when you open up and see that. So that is all of that goodness in one box for only $35, and you can get that at YarnYAY.com. All right, if you love the yarn, but you maybe want to make a bigger project, we have some add-on yarn. Let me show you. So we made a larger version, an infinity scarf. This is a variation of the knit one that I designed, but without the shawl collar. This is so fun and easy and a very like cozy and zen project. I will be providing this pattern for free on my Ask Me Monday Facebook live show on Monday. I believe it's February 7th, but you can always find it on my website after that as well. So to make this, you'll just need the one hank of the natural that you're getting in the box already, and then you'll just need to supplement it with another hank of one of these two colors. We've got a lovely blush and then an olive, but very limited stock. I think I only bought maybe 50 or so hanks of these. So if you want to do that, jump on and add that to your cart right away. All right, so all of that comes with or around your subscription, but also we always do video tutorials, live events. We'll hopefully be speaking with both Carrie from Big Blue Mama and probably Stacy Charles from Taki Gunnison. We like you to know who you are supporting and shopping with. And plus, for me, part of being creative is knowing the stories behind the other people that are creative, the people that are inspiring me. So we try to give that as well. We also have an online community that's all about positivity and support. We do live Zoom meetups once a month just to share our projects, just hang out together and knit and crochet and share our projects. And if you're a subscriber, you also get subscriber discount, a 5% off coupon to spend in the shop at any point in time. You get that every single month. So pretty good stuff. We are really looking forward to knitting and crocheting with you. It is cold now. It is the time to cozy up and hunker down, and we are right there with you. So go to YarnYAY.com and subscribe today.